Hello students, welcome to the channel Notion of Mathematics. Today we will be learning that how to create different types of list in LaTeX. So I have already generated one document here. If I will run it, so this type of document PDF will be generated. So I will start from scratch. Three basic type of list I will be discussing today. So for that purpose, first of all we will be learning itemized list. Second, we will be creating enumerated list or numbered list, and third we will be creating description list. So if I want to start this particular generation of list, I have to follow some basic template. So I will be starting from document class, and I will be selecting it like article. So I'm taking document class article. After that, I want to start the document. Under this document class, how to start the document, for that purpose I will be typing here begin document, and then end document is already there, and in between this one we will be writing the content. Now I want to give some title to this particular document. So for that, title is like some basics of list in LaTeX, and I want to give some if you want to give the author name also, here I will give the name like Notion of Mathematics. Here you can give your name as an author. Notion of Mathematics is like this one. Now thereafter we have to use one command, that is make title /make title. This one I have to use inside this begin document and end document. Now thereafter I want to first of all create this itemized list. So what is the purpose for that? See, what is the command for that? I mean to say /begin itemize I will be taking here, and enter /end. Itemize is already given here, so double click on this. So /end itemize is already there. Now I want to keep 3 items in this particular list, so I will be taking first item like /item, and item name is suppose heading 1, and then /item again, and here next is heading 2, and thereafter I'm taking again /item, and that is I will say heading 3, right? So this is very basic template of creating list in LaTeX. So now after this whole thing, /document class, title, author, and in between begin document and end document, all these things we have to write. Now it's time to run this basic template. If I'm executing it, we will see what will be the output. You see here some basics of list in LaTeX. This particular is the title. Notion of Mathematics, I have kept it at the place of author's name. Date is already given. I don't want to show this date. I will discuss that after some time. And these three heading a list is created here, and under that list 3 items are created like heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3, right? This is itemized list, and this one is a sign for itemized list. Before every heading there is one sign, that is the indication for itemized list. Now I don't want to show this date here, so for that purpose I can write here /date, and I will leave it blank. Let me run it again. So you see now date is not visible in the PDF document. So this is all about the creation of, I want to create a comment also. This is the creation of what? Creation of an itemized list in LaTeX, right? Now thereafter I want to again create one more list, but that list is numbered list, enumerated list, right? So for that purpose, what is the command? Let me tell you. So that is /begin enumerate. So that command is enumerate. If you write enum something like this, double click on this, and automatically /end enumerate is also there, and item, this is automatically visible here. So again, First item I want to keep it like heading 1 again, heading 1, right? And second item again I want to take it like heading 2, and third item is like I will say it is heading 3, right? So let me keep it capital letter like this one, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Now if I will run it again, one more list will be created after this particular list. Okay, so I'm running this template now. So you see now these first three headings were the itemized under the itemized list, and this again heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, these are created as numbered list. Okay, so this was what, this was the creation of, this was the creation of creation creation of creation of what, creation of a numbered list, right? Thereafter I want to create a description list. Okay, I want to create a list in which some description is also there. So what is the command for that, let me tell you. So command for that is like, if I am saying slash begin and then description, let me see. Yes, it is right, slash begin description. So if I'm just I have clicked on begin description, automatically and description is there, and some one item is also, that format is also there. So here in under this one, firstly we have to give label and then we have to give its description. So label is what I want to give here, label like suppose I am saying it is heading 1, and description is suppose I am saying it is, this is heading 1, this is heading 1. Okay, I want to now create another item here under this description list. So I will just take it like heading 2, and here it is, this is heading 2. Again I want to take it like heading 3, and this is heading 3. So one more list will be also created here, but that will be the list with description. Let me run it again, this template. If I'm running it, then you can see this one, 3 more headings are created, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, along with the description. This is heading 1, this is heading 2, and this is heading 3. So this was very basic, I mean to say, uh, template to create different type of list in LaTeX. So I hope that this will be quite useful for all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video.